Namaste friends. There is no friend as loyal as book. Today I am so enthusiastic to speak about importance of books. Books are packed with knowledge, insights into a happy life, life lessons, love, fear, prayer, and helpful advice. Books have been here for centuries, and without them, today's knowledge of our past ancestors, cultures, and civilization would have been impossible. Books play a significant role in our life. They say that when you open a book, you open a new world. I believe that everyone would agree with this statement as books have become inevitable to mankind. For the majority of people, books are part of their everyday life. A book is like a best friend who will never walk away from us. A book communicates knowledge, and not only knowledge, but wisdom of all kinds. They say that the more you read, the more well read you are, which deeply indicates that the more you read, the more exposed you are, your attitudes, your ideas, and your imagination changes. Good books improve our standard of living. They tone up our intellectual taste, they make our outlook broad, console us when we are depressed. Books encourage us when we are defeated and inspire us to work hard with hope and courage. They remove our ignorance and add to our knowledge. They also enrich our experience and sharpen our intellect. Dear friends, a good book is our true friend. Why should we read books? Books are the real mentors. Books are the plane and the train and the road. They are the destination and the journey. They are home. Just imagine if Mahatma Gandhi personally will come to you and teach the unique ways to lead. Bill Gates was your relative and teaches you how to make money. MS Dhoni can teach you how to stay calm in pressure situations. Obviously, you can't meet them personally, but books are available so that we can learn through our mentors. Reading books increases exponentially with the volumes you consume and provides a high level of vocabulary to use in everyday life. Reading books enhances your knowledge. Whenever you read, you fill your head with new bits of information and you never know when it might prove handy. The more you gain, the better equipped you are to tackle any problem you will ever face. Knowledge is something which is priceless and has no demerits. Let us try to gain as much knowledge you can and keep boosting your thoughts with better and innovative ideas. Books offer an incredible wealth of learning at a cheaper price than taking a course. It gives you a chance to gain an enormous amount of research in a short span of time. A mind with peace is always productive and innovative than the one under stress. When you feel like your mind is strange and looking for distraction, just start reading. Soon after a few run through the world, you will feel like the most normal person in the world. A great book should leave you with many experiences and slightly exhausted at the end. You live several lives while reading. Dear friends, Reading books should become an inevitable activity in our day to day life because books are a uniquely portable magic. Have a great day. Thank you.